Ever wanted to draw something that looks complicated but really isn't? Join me as I show you how to draw QUIB, a playful and dynamic Zentangle pattern created by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas, the founders of Zentangle. This unique design features flowing, curvy shapes that create an engaging visual rhythm. It's perfect for filling spaces, adding movement to your tile, and experimenting with shading for different effects. I like to use it as a centerpiece of my tile. QUIB will quickly become a favorite in your artistic toolkit because it's easy to remember, it's easy to draw, and yet the finished pattern looks so complex and interesting. It's also a good exercise for over and under drawing layers. Here's how I remember how to draw QUIB. I first draw the ends that'll hold these tentacle shapes. So on the top and the bottom, I draw a C shape. And then from each C shape, I start drawing these curved lines, these curved parallel lines, so they look like tentacles. Hence why I always think of QUIB and squid or octopuses, because they have all these dangly lines. It's such a fun tangle to draw. And if you like drawing volleyball, you're gonna like drawing QUIB with these over and under lines. When I'm satisfied that I've got enough of those parallel lines or tentacles, as I call it, then I fill in the end caps. That just gives it a little bit more depth and a little bit more solid grounding for those tentacles. Now let's add some shading. To shade, it's very much like how I shade Hobbi, and that is you shade on the darker side, on the underneath side, to have that 3D effect. See where it overlaps? I shade on the portion that I think is going to be underneath the top layer. Hope that makes sense. Try drawing QUIB and tell me how it went in the comments below. Watch my other short video tutorials on how to draw other tangle patterns that I think are easy enough for beginners to tangle. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing to new audiences. As a very new channel, I thank you.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.